Most people are only using 10% of what ChatGPT can actually do, and they have no idea. But today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the real power, even if you're brand new. This is Next Gen AI Lab, where I break down the smartest ways to use AI to save time, boost productivity, and make money online without any fluff. So stick around, because even one small trick in this video could completely change how you use ChatGPT. Okay, before we dive into all the cool things you can do with ChatGPT, let me show you how to get started. There are two ways, and they're pretty simple. Method 1. For those who are familiar with Google, open your browser and then type the keyword ChatGPT into the Google search bar. The results will show up with a lot of information, but you just need to find the one with the address chatgpt.com and click on it. That's it. Method 2. Go directly. No need to search. In the browser's address bar, just type chat.openai.com and press enter. You'll be taken straight to the login page or main interface of ChatGPT. Very fast, very neat. If you're new here, just click Sign up for free. You can use your email, Google, Microsoft, Apple account, or even your phone. Whatever works best for you. Once you've chosen your method, click Continue. You'll then be taken straight to the ChatGPT homepage. It's super simple. Just so you know, I'm using the free version of GPT 3.5 in this video. No paid plans required, and honestly, it's more than enough to do some pretty cool stuff. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your chat history on the left. Every time you start a new chat, it's saved separately. Like texting different friends about different topics, neat and organized. Okay, I have ChatGPT open right on my screen. Now, let me show you 10 super useful commands that you can try today. Let's get started. Let's start simple. Just like Google, you can ask ChatGPT factual questions. For example, what's the average income of YouTubers in the US? And it'll respond with a short, direct answer. But here's the cool part. Instead of showing you 10 blue links like Google, it gives you a full, summarized answer, like a conversation with a friend who already read all the sources. You can also ask it to recommend stuff. Books, movies, courses, whatever. I'll show you. Let's say, suggest 3 beginner-friendly AI tools for video creators, and boom, it gives you a curated list. Don't like the list? Just hit regenerate. It'll give you a new one. Make it for people with no tech background, or only tools that are free to use. This is one of my favorite features. ChatGPT is like Google Translate, but way smarter. Example, I'm in Spain. How do I ask, what are your 3 most popular dishes? It not only gives you the Spanish sentence, but also how to pronounce it. You can also translate emails, blog posts, even slang, and it keeps the tone natural. Not sure which one to pick? Just ask us to compare 2 things. We'll break it down for you. Example. What's the difference between iPhone and Android? We'll give you the pros, the cons, and what really matters, clearly and simply. In a rush, or want it super easy, say, keep it under 100 words, like I'm in 5th grade. You can literally control how simple or complex the answer is. This one's super fun. Want a short story, a poem, a song, a joke? ChatGPT has you covered. For example, write a touching story about a lonely caterpillar who lost his family, but then found his wings. Then you can say, now turn that into a song. or even turn that into a haiku. This is a creativity machine, perfect for content creators or just for fun. If you're having trouble writing emails, this will help you. For example, write a polite email to Land Rover about being overcharged for windshield repair. Just state what happened, who you're writing to, and the tone. It will draft a clean, professional email that you can copy and edit. Great for job applications, customer service, outreach, anything. Starting a YouTube channel? Planning a birthday party? Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas with you. For example, give me 5 ideas for an outdoor birthday party for 20 people under $50 per person. Then you could say, expand on idea number 2 and give me a step-by-step plan. It's like having a free brainstorming partner on call 24/7. Paste a long article, email, or essay, and ask ChatGPT to summarize it. For example, summarize this for a 10-year-old, or rewrite this into bullet points for a meeting. You can even combine it with creative tools. Turn this chapter into a poem or a short YouTube video. Are you trying to decide between 2 options? Just ask. Tell me the pros and cons of working remotely versus working in an office. It will tell you both sides clearly, and you can say things like more focus on productivity or personalization. This is a big one. ChatGPT can really help guide your career or business idea. For example, I'm 22, just graduated, and want to start a service business. I have $1,000. I like photography and websites. Any ideas? It will give you a business idea, a name, steps to get started, and you can continue asking follow-up questions like, which website builder should I use? Or, how do I find my first client? Basically, it's like having a personal mentor, someone who's incredibly smart, always available, and never judgmental. All right, that's a wrap. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Got questions? Just drop a comment. I've got you. See you in the next one.